Alright, and this first part, we're just modeling the table, really nice and easy. It's a table, like, it's just like, if you wanted to, you could just use like 5 cubes, one for the top, 4 for the legs, even 2 for the legs if you wanted to. Any table, it doesn't really matter. Now, let's move on. Alright, now that the table's done, what we're gonna do is add a plane. And we're gonna grab Z. We're gonna do SY. Right here, SX. And it's gonna be a nice tablecloth that goes over it. Alt Z so we can see. Yeah, that looks about right. So we're gonna go into edit mode and we're going to just subdivide it. Subdivide it. Subdivide it. And I think that's good. And we just add a subdivision surface onto this. And let's see how many we're at. Okay, we should subdivide it more. Subdivide it. Alright, and now it's at about 9,000, so that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, so now let's go ahead and add our simulations. Alright, for our simulations, what we're going to be doing is you need to head down here to the physics properties. And we're going to be doing a cloth. And so that's really nice right here, and we're basically done with this for now. I'm not gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna edit it up. Alright, and we go here and we just add the collisions right here in the same physics properties. We just go and add collision, because if you don't add collision, this is what happens. It just goes right through it. So what we need to go ahead and do, oh wait, unsubdivide. That was way too many. Try now. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Alright, so we need to go ahead and do now is add collisions to it, and this is what happens. We have a nice cloth simulation that goes over this. If we go ahead and add this, we can add smoothness to it. What happens if we if we add normals? That happens. Don't do that. Alright, I think we could go ahead. We could just subdivide this. And now let's run the simulation. Alright. That's actually really nice. So we're going to go ahead and leave it there. So in order to apply your simulation, just go here to the modifier tab because it adds a modifier to it. Just do Control A to accept them. And same for this. Go ahead and Control A. And then we're done. We're basically just done. We could import this into Roblox because it has only 9,000. So let's go ahead and export our model into Roblox. If you don't already know how to import stuff in Roblox, just go to Asset Manager, click this little upload button, and we're gonna go to our file. Alright, got my file, and I pressed apply, and now it's adding our models in, and this is the best way to add your models into Roblox. It's really fast and easy. Now that they're uploaded, just go ahead, click these, and click Insert with Location. Now that it inserted with its location, you can go ahead and just size it how we want to. I'll do Control G. Control G. I accidentally did Alt G. We'll just call this table. And we're gonna go here. And yeah, this is the actual part. We'll just call it. We're just gonna give it a nice wood plank texture. It looks nice. Go ahead and yeah, that's good. I'm gonna go ahead, go to this on top, fabric. Actually, doesn't look too bad on it. Let's go ahead and try this. And yeah, that's how you do a tablecloth, a table with a cloth over it, in Blender, and then importing it into Roblox. I'm Live-2, and thank you for watching the video.